G'day, it's Matt here again, and I'm going to quickly walk you through a little hack that we discovered, and it's about how to get multiple clocks visible down here in your system tray. To add another two clocks, just right click on the clock, choose Adjust Date and Time, and this is the easiest way we found to do this. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and choose Additional Clocks, and you want to turn each one on that you want. Choose the time zone that you're interested in. So I'm going to add one here for Brisbane, and I'm going to call it QLD for Queensland, and I'm going to add one for Singapore, same time zone as the Philippines, and I'm just going to call it PHP. Click apply, and then OK. And what that will do is it will give me, when I mouse over, some additional times that I can see there. Now, something to keep in mind is that if you do go into here and you choose Adjust Date and Time and you come down to Additional Clocks again, you may find that it drops these settings for you if you come in to edit them. So if you do, you just might need to reset them again. But otherwise, it's pretty straightforward, easy process to be able to just mouse over and see the additional times that you want there.